How do damaged supplies affect the budget of pop-up drink stands? Damaged supplies increase costs and reduce the overall profits of pop-up drink stands. When supplies like cups, straws, or ingredients get damaged, the stand has to spend extra money to replace them, which adds up quickly. For example, if a batch of fruit gets squished or spilled, it cannot be sold, and another batch must be bought. This means the stand uses more money than planned just to keep selling drinks. Sometimes damaged supplies can also lead to delays, like if broken equipment slows down the process, customers might get impatient and buy less. Small damages that seem unimportant, like leaks in syrup containers or bent straws, can add up and cause waste. A fact many don't realize is that even packaging damage can hurt sales because customers might avoid buying a product that looks untidy or unsafe. Being careful when handling supplies and storing them properly can prevent these problems and protect the budget. Keeping track of damaged goods daily helps owners see patterns and fix issues before they become costly. One common mistake is ignoring small damages thinking they won't matter much, but these add up quickly and shrink profits. Another issue is not training staff on how to handle supplies gently, which often causes unnecessary damage and waste. Sometimes stands buy cheap supplies to save money but end up with more breakage and replacements, costing more in the long run. A good tip is to invest in slightly better quality supplies that last longer and require fewer replacements. Also, regularly checking inventory for damages and using damaged items creatively when possible can help stretch the budget. It's important to remember that careful handling and smart purchasing decisions are key to avoiding these common pitfalls. If you need help with a project, search for trusted, affordable local contractors at www.bighomeprojects.com. Another option is to download our app called Jobit Tier, where homeowners and property owners can list jobs and have home service experts and contractors reach out with estimates.